On June 11, 2025, the UK confirmed it will supply Ukraine with the RapidRanger short-range surface-to-air missile system, manufactured by Thales UK. This move is part of a broader £1.7 billion defence aid package, aimed at bolstering Ukraine's ability to counter aerial threats. The Ukrainian Prime Minister Denis Shmyhal publicly acknowledged the acquisition during a cabinet meeting, emphasizing its strategic role in strengthening Ukraine's air defense layers, particularly against drones and low-flying aircraft. This announcement, shared by the Ukrainian Ministry of Defense via Telegram, marks a significant upgrade to Ukraine's air defense assets and showcases the deepening military cooperation between Kyiv and London. The RapidRanger SHORAD, short-range air defense, system is a nimble, lightweight platform ideal for swift deployment across diverse terrains and vehicles. Weighing under half a ton, it can be integrated onto trucks, naval vessels, or stationary points. The launcher carries 4 missiles, either the high-velocity Starstreak II or the versatile Martlet, LMM, and uses laser-guided targeting, making it resistant to traditional flare and heat-based interference. Featuring 360-degree sensors, automated tracking, and electro-optical sighting, the system operates independently or can connect to larger command and control frameworks. It can detect targets over 15 kilometers away and neutralize threats at distances beyond 7 kilometers. The RapidRanger system stems from Thales' lineage of high-performance systems like Starstreak and Rapid Fire, developed to address modern SHORAD requirements. Until now, its operational presence was largely limited to British trials. The Ukrainian deployment represents its first large-scale, combat-tested rollout and provides a key opportunity for battlefield validation. Alongside this system, the UK will deliver 5,000 Martlet missiles and an astonishing 100,000 drones, signaling a substantial leap in Ukraine's capacity to disrupt Russian aerial operations. In comparison to similar platforms like Germany's Jeopard, the Polish Poprad, or the American Avenger, RapidRanger stands out for its lightweight design, rapid mobility, and laser-based precision. While Jeopard's dual cannons provide powerful suppression, they are bulkier and more exposed to countermeasures. In contrast, RapidRanger offers a nimble solution ideal for protecting convoys or forward positions where heavier systems cannot operate efficiently. It fits seamlessly alongside longer-range Western systems like NASAMS and IRIS-T SLM, effectively covering the short-range blind spots. Beyond its tactical value, the introduction of RapidRanger systems has broader implications. Strategically, it reshapes Ukraine's layered air defense structure. Politically, it highlights the UK's deepening role as Kyiv's principal Western military supporter in 2025, building on previous aid, including Storm Shadow cruise missiles and Challenger 2 tanks. On the ground, the RapidRanger will be vital in shielding frontline troops and vital infrastructure from drone attacks and loitering munitions, threats that older Soviet-era systems like the OSA and Strela 10 struggle to handle effectively. The British aid package allocates £1.7 billion solely for air defence enhancements, with RapidRanger and Martlet missiles forming the core of that effort. It falls under a wider £4.5 billion UK support initiative for Ukraine this year, which also includes £247 million earmarked for military training programs. Notably, this deal marks the first significant deployment of RapidRanger for operational combat use, catapulting Thales UK into the spotlight and offering a major opportunity for international recognition of the system's capabilities. In essence, this delivery reflects a decisive shift in Ukraine's defense strategy toward modern, mobile, and modular systems. It also signals the UK's strategic commitment to empowering Ukraine with cutting-edge tools for modern warfare, especially amid increasing use of drones and rapid strike tactics on the battlefield.